What is your name?
Sai.
Sai. What's this? What is this? Eyes. Very good. Where is your head? Where is your nose? Your lips? Your teeth? Your neck? There. Your ears? Ears? There. Where is your hand? Your finger? There. Where is your feet? There. Oh, say hello.
Hello.
The dog says.
Ow.
The cat says.
Yeah.
The goat says.
Huh?
Meh. The duck says.
Quack, quack.
The frog says. Oh, very good. Let's count, Cyrene. Let's count. 1, 2, 2. Yay, very good. Look at si beautiful. Wow, flying kiss, anak. Flying kiss. Say bye-bye na. Bye-bye.